and gentlemen, this is what you've been waiting for. Probably not. Nobody asked me for this, but I'm doing it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am doing a closet clean out. I have wanted to deep clean my closet for ever. I have clothes on the floor in my closet since I don't have enough hangers. My drawers are overflowing. I can't shut them. I have shoes literally the pile high of a mountain, and I can't ever figure out what to wear because everything's just so messy. So it is time that I do an extreme closet clean out. I'm going through every single piece in my wardrobe. I'm unloading everything onto my bed and I'm going to just clean it up. Before we get into the video, I wanted to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace is what I use to build my website, Honey Soleil. It's so easy. It's the most easy way to build a website and a brand online. Stay tuned till later because I'm going to talk more about Squarespace and how I built my website. But for now, let's just get into today's video. So I'm gonna break this down for you guys. I have 2 closets that are slidey and 1 giant dresser full of clothes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take from each section, throw everything on my bed so that the default is not, let's just leave it in my closet since it's easier. I'm gonna throw everything on the bed. You thought that was everything? You're wrong. I have bags full of clothes that don't fit on hangers because I don't have enough hangers. And I have nothing to wear ever. I have to reorganize it, I have to re-put it in my closet, and I'm gonna go through every single piece and basically decide if it goes in one of the 4 piles. So the first pile we have is to recycle my clothing. So this is the trash pile essentially. That is items that they're really worn down to the bone. They cannot be given to anyone else. They definitely can't be sold, and I'm getting rid of them. And then we have the donate pile. So this is going to either thrift stores or like charities and like shelters for people. Clothes that I'm not going to sell, they're not in perfect condition, but I just want to give them away, give them a new home. And the other pile is going to be my sell pile. These are clothing that are basically in mint condition, they're pristine, I've barely worn them if I've worn them at all, and I'm going to sell them on either Depop or Poshmark. Let me know what you guys prefer in the comment section below. And then the last pile, of course, is shit that's going back in my closet. I'm also gonna ask myself some questions when I'm trying on each piece because I really wanna hone down on what I wanna keep in my wardrobe and what I'm actually going to wear. The first question is, have I worn it in the past 6 months? I know people usually do like a year, but I really wanna get down and dirty and figure out what I've worn in the past 6 months, because if I keep repeating the same outfits and if I'm never reaching for this said piece of clothing, I don't wanna keep it in my wardrobe because I'm obviously not excited about it. And if it's a what if item, like, oh, well, if this situation happens, I will wear it. But it hasn't happened in the past 6 months. I'm tossing it. The next question that I'm gonna ask myself is, do I feel confident wearing it? Does it make me feel like myself? Am I feeling like a bad bitch when I wear it? If I'm, hesitant to wear it, it's like a whatever piece of clothing, it's not that hot on me, I'm gonna just get rid of it because I only want clothing that I feel 100% bad bitch in. The third question I'm going to ask myself is, does it fit me well? Obviously, like most clothing items we just adore, but they don't fit right, or they're like too loose in the chest, they're too loose on the waist, they're too tight on the ass, and they just don't fit you well, it's gonna go. And then the final question is, does it bring me joy? Do I like it? Am I excited to wear it? When I reach for it, am I like tingling with joy? Pretty much just, does it spark joy for me? Like, we're Marie Kondoing this shit. When I was doing my whole intro thing, I said I was making a pile for donate, sell, trash, keep, blah, blah, blah. I've changed that method because I'm going to do essentially a pile for clothes that I'm gonna try on because I'm not sure if I love them. There's clothes that I know I'm keeping, I don't need to try them on, I know I'm keeping it. And then there's clothes that I know I'm not gonna keep, I'm not even gonna try them on, I don't want them anymore. This is the dress I wore to my first Harry Styles concert in hopes that he would marry me. I also spent like $200 on it. Also, another thing to remember when you're going through clothes, just because you paid a lot of money for it doesn't mean you should keep it because the value of it is already gone. Once you purchased it, the money is wasted. So there's no sense thinking, oh, it's super expensive, I should keep it just because it's expensive. If you're not gonna wear it, someone else can. So, but I love this dress, so like that didn't even have to do with this, but like I just want to mention it. So I wanted to be different with my style, so I thought I'd get an off-the-shoulder blanket-looking sweater. Who possessed me? A straggler Dalton's beanie. Not mine, not my problem. So we've accumulated our piles. This is I still have to try it on because I don't know what I want to do. Keep, kind of small. And this is my for sure never gonna wear, never did wear, never will wear pile. Unfortunately, the problem with these kinds of clothes is that my legs are literally too short. So, okay, this is kind of cute. I've never worn this a day in my life. And it's cute. What's wrong with me? Okay, this is literally so cute, but my legs. I hate being 2 feet tall. I really hate it. I want to be a girl who wears red. I've tried it, like red shirts, and like, they just can't do it. What shoes do you wear with this? And like, when do you wear this unless you're going to a hoedown? Like, I just don't want this stress in my life, you know? Oh, unless I wear it with a bathing suit. Never. I'm never gonna, no. I have tried to wear this top so many times and it's just like... Sybil, what do you think? I agree. Wow, that speaks volumes. So I wanted to take a quick intermission to talk about my Squarespace website and why I love it so much. So here I'm just showing you how easy it is to pretty much set up a Squarespace website. You can add so many different templates to it. I think the best thing about this is the user interface and how easy it is to design and add new things to your website. So for me, I'm going to be showing you my pages on here pretty soon, but that is just all of my different blogging sections within my website because I do have a heavy article-driven website. They have some powerful blogging tools so you can tell your story, share your updates, post photos and videos. You can also categorize, share, and schedule your posts to make your content work for you. So you can write a bunch of blog posts up and then schedule them throughout the week. It is super simple and easy to use, and that's why I love Squarespace. So I'm going through every single drawer in here. They've gotten messy. I tried organizing them, but they got so messy over the years. So now I'm just taking everything out and I'm sorting them based on thongs and cute underwear to sleeping underwear, not thongs. And then I do it in color coordination too, because honestly, I only have black and red and white underwear and like 2 nude underwear, but it's fine. And I'm putting all my bras, all my underwear, everything back in this drawer, and it's so much more manageable. Then we're moving on to the disastrous workout drawer. I probably wear the same 2 sets, but I had all of these mixed match workout pieces. I'm so glad I just went through this and kind of went through the process of if it's not a set, I'm getting rid of it. And I also keep my socks in there. Then we found a random workout set in my pajama top drawer. This drawer was overflowing. I would always have too many pajamas when I don't really need them. I'm not sleeping my whole life away. And then we have the pajama bottom drawer. Again, going through it, putting the matching pieces all in the right place. Wild Sybil in the trenches of the shoes. Okay. So here's the finale. This pile is the pile of clothes that I'm going to sell on either Poshmark or Depop. I'll have the links for that below. And then this pile is the clothes that I'm just going to give away to thrift stores or shelters. And then lastly, close to trash, things that are just not for anybody else. Here is my final coat closet. I did everything in order of a color scheme, so it starts from white, it ends at black, and this just is so much easier and appealing to the eye. It's not messy. I'll know where things go when I put them away. Those are my coats. The other side of the coat closet. Now here is the main closet. This is where I keep all of my shirts, my blouses, and then on the other side is dresses. But I love the color coordination that I did. It makes it look so much more visually appealing and just easier to grab pieces from, and I'm just obsessed with every piece on here. I'm so glad I purged what was necessary. And here's my dress side. Again, I did the same color coordination, white to black. I looked up a color coordination online to kind of like guide myself because it's very difficult to put things in color order when you don't know shit about color theory. And then finally, the shoes. Oh, they look so much better. That is my entire closet clean out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to clean out your closet. Don't forget to head to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.